Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you will learn how to apply for Google Adsense account. To apply for Google Adsense account, you must have gotten your site ready for approval. If you don't know how to get your site ready for Google Adsense approval, then check the description of this video. You will see a link to a video and to an article I've written about getting Adsense approval for your site. Once you have done that, go to adsense.com or google.com/adsense/start. You must have a Gmail account to get started. If you don't have a Gmail account, then go to gmail.com and sign up for a Gmail account before you can get access to Google Adsense account. So we'll go to get started. So what we're going to do next is add your Gmail account here and also your password in the next page. The password of your Gmail in the next page. In this page, what you do is you add the name of the site, the name of your website you wish to get Google Adsense approval on. Then get more out of Adsense. You can choose yes or no. At this point, you have to select the country you're currently living in or the country you wish to get your Google Adsense PIN, that is the personal identification number. So once you've done that, you click on start using Adsense. So after that, on this page, you're going to enter the information. You must enter information before you can get the site approved. So click on enter information. So at this point, we're going to add the address or living, the town, then the postcode. This postcode is very important. Make sure you add the right postcode for your area. If you add the wrong postcode, your PIN, your Adsense PIN will be sent to the wrong location. So make sure when adding this, add the right postcode. Then for phone number, that is optional. You can either add it or leave it. And after doing that, you click on submit. Once you have done that, what next to do is to go to connect your site to Adsense. Click on let's go. So on this page, all we have to do on this page is to copy this code. And paste it at the header of our site, that is whether WordPress or Blogger or whatever CMS you're using. So after you paste that on the header of your site, you click on request review. So that is how to apply to Google Adsense account for your site. If this is your first time watching our video, please like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video.